Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to continue from where we stop. Right now, we want to color match and color balance this Viper to our environment. Firstly, I want to go over to the adjustment layer and select levels. Always clip it to the layer in question, and I want to reduce some highlights. Okay, this is the highlight right here. I want to reduce some of it, but it's too bright, and also decrease it from here. Okay, I don't want to increase, I only want to decrease this time around. We still have lots of time to increase. Okay, like this is okay. This is the first step. And again, I want to go ahead and select color balance, clip it to the layer in question, and color match it to the sky, maybe like this. It's okay, that is perfectly fine. And I can also go ahead to the hue and saturation, clip it to the layer. It's already shinish, reduce some of the saturation. Okay, perfect like this. Once we have it like this, I want to go ahead again and select levels. This time around, I want to increase the highlights. Oh, I forgot to clip. Always clip it. Increase the highlights, and once it's like this, I want to go ahead selecting the levels mask. I want to hit on Ctrl plus I to invert the color, and now taking my brush tool by hitting on Ctrl B, I want to increase the size of the brush and also increase the size of my canvas. Right now we need to paint some lights on the Viper's face and some of his body. I'll go ahead and reduce the opacity of my brush, and let's see how this is going to turn out. Make sure the foreground color is white, it's very important. And I want to go ahead and paint some lights on where there can possibly be some lights on his body, like in this part, Okay, the light is still going to be meeting this part and possibly this part as well. These parts on the head, obviously, flat face, down parts, this side as well. We are using this right as the reference. Okay, this part now on top of the side here, and some on that area and on these edges. Increase the size on this part as well more. This part, okay, this part, this down side. Okay, perfect. This part now, maybe this part as well. This part now, the light is not meeting there, and the light is not going to be meeting here. Increase the side. Okay, perfect. Like this is okay. And Ctrl plus 1 to zoom out.